Good afternoon. Today is March 30th. I'm James Weatherup, Chairman of the Oswego County Legislature. Joining me today are Mayor Deana from the City of Fulton and Oswego City Mayor Billy Barlow. Thank you both for taking time to be here. As most of you know by now, Governor Cuomo has ordered that non-essential gatherings of any size must be canceled or postponed at this time. This includes parties, celebrations, and all social events. He has also ordered that all non-essential business close and their on-site workforce be reduced by 100%. These are extreme measures, but we find ourselves in extreme times, and in order to stop the transmission of the COVID-19 virus, it is imperative that people are following the protective guidelines recommended by medical professionals, particularly the practice of social distancing. We have shared this message with the public repeatedly over the last week or so, but it has become apparent that many members of our communities have not taken this seriously. As such, earlier today, I issued an executive order giving state and local law enforcement agencies the powers necessary to enforce the governor's orders. I've asked Mayors Michaels and Barlow to join me in helping to spread this message. Mayor Michaels.
Thank you, Chairman. I first want to recognize the collective efforts across the county being made to fight the spread of COVID-19. The City of Fulton has been working tirelessly to ensure that the safety and well-being of our community is our #1 priority. We will continue to support the citizens, small businesses, and first responders as they deal with the impact of the current situation. We are in this together, and we must work together to ensure we come through this safely, in good health, and stronger as a result. Effective immediately, in collaboration with the county and Fulton City School Districts, all city playgrounds will be closed until further notice in the City of Fulton. All city parks and public access areas will be under strict social distancing adherence. Our crews are out securing the equipment, removing hoops, roping off areas, and placing signage in these areas. Additionally, our police department will be patrolling the streets to help the community adhere to the strict social distancing practices. Officers will be equipped with handouts to provide educational information as needed. We will be asking groups of individuals in public access areas to disperse and practice social distancing to the fullest extent of these orders throughout the county. I applaud the work of those here today who are meeting with these challenges head-on. I also applaud the City of Fulton employees and residents for their continued efforts. Let us stay focused on the work at hand, remembering that when this is over, we will be stronger, better, and braver than ever before. Thank you.
Thank you, Deana. Mayor Barlow.
Thank you, Chairman, and thank you for your leadership during this challenging time. I'd like to speak to the residents of the City of Oswego and express to them the importance of social distancing at this time. If you think of it for a moment, a lot of the media attention has been focused on bigger areas, New York City, City of Syracuse. But if you look at it the other way, while those communities have a lot of people all clustered in one area, in the City of Oswego, we all are a smaller community, but we use all the same public amenities. We shop at the same Walmart, shop at the same Price Chopper, drive on the same roads. So there's much more intimacy, and we're closer in nature than larger communities. And that's why it is so important to think of social distancing in those terms, and understand that it is extremely important to stay in your house as much as possible. There's no reason to go to the store every single day. There's no reason to continue stockpiling material. And please take every precautionary measure, whether it's washing your hands, cleaning hard surfaces in your own home, or avoid going outside in general, to social distance and avoid contact as much as possible. We've made an extreme amount of changes to city government. We've enacted executive orders preventing people from having gatherings in their homes and in our parks, and we are out enforcing those orders actively. At the same time, city businesses, please know that the Oswego Police Department and the Code Enforcement Department, they've already been out for 10 days enforcing the governor's executive orders, and we are going to continue to do that and actually increase patrols going forward as it becomes more serious by the hour. So please, as these cases continue to increase, as positive cases continue to increase in the City of Oswego and all throughout Oswego County, take the situation much more seriously every single day. Thank you, Chairman.
Thank you, Mayor. As of 2 p.m. today, the health department has reported that 373 county residents have been tested. Of those, 17 have tested positive, one of which I am happy to report has successfully recovered. 280 tests have come back negative, and we are waiting the results of 74 tests. We also have 145 people in either precautionary or mandatory quarantine. We must all do our part to keep this under control, and the best way to do that is to obey the governor's executive order. Stay home, only go out if it was absolutely essential, and follow the personal hygiene practices recommended by the medical professionals who are working day and night to protect us and our families. For more information about coronavirus, visit the webpage or call the Oswego County Health Department COVID-19 hotline at 315-349-3330 or the New York State COVID-19 hotline at 1-888-364-3065. Thank you. We appreciate your continued patience and cooperation.